In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google site navigation bar using Google Sites. Whether you're updating your website or just want to refresh the look and feel of your navigation, this simple guide will take you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started by first navigating to your Google site. Open up your preferred web browser and go to Google Sites. You'll want to ensure you're logged into the account that has access to the site you wish to edit. Once on your Google Sites dashboard, locate the site you intend to modify and click on it to open. Once your site is open, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a number of different options, but for this task you need to click on the Pages button. It should be represented by an icon resembling a stack of pages or documents. Clicking here will give you access to all the pages currently present on your site. With the list of pages now in front of you, scan through to find the page whose navigation settings you'd like to alter. Hover over the page name and you'll notice a small icon with 3 vertical dots appearing next to it. This is often referred to as the More Options or Actions menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options presented, you'll want to select Properties. This selection will take you to another panel where you can adjust various settings for your navigation bar. Inside the Properties panel, you have the opportunity to edit the name of the page as it appears in the navigation bar. To do this, simply find the name field and type in the new name you want your visitors to see. This name can be changed to better reflect the content or purpose of the page. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to save them. Look for the Done button, usually located at the bottom of the panel. A simple click on Done will ensure your edits are stored. But remember, these changes will not yet be visible to your site visitors. To make your updated navigation bar public, be sure to publish your site again. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll find a blue Publish button. Hit this and your site, along with the new navigation setup, will go live. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Google Sites navigation bar. Keep in mind that a clear, organized navigation helps users find what they're looking for quickly and can greatly enhance the user experience on your site. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy creating.